Mama, that is tiny.
You got another package, Stan.
Look, Francine, it's our house. I finally did the gutters like you've been hounding me about for 6 years.
Well, your facial tic is gone. Is this helping you feel better?
Oh, yeah. I've finally come to accept that I can't control the world out there. But this is perfect.
Okay. Because you've been missing work, and, well, it's been a lot of packages. The UPS guy started making jokes about it. Good jokes. I think he might want to have an affair.
Well, he has his thing and I have mine. Look, it's our mailbox.
Stan? Honey? Oh, my God. I had no idea it was so much. Now I know why we haven't been having sex. And why we won't be having sex. This is a bit of a turnoff. At least he went into work.
Ah, a plastic book. Always halfway through. Beautiful morning, as always. Timmy, did you throw my paper in the bushes again? You little so-and-so. If he keeps doing this, I'm gonna be mad for real. Hello, Constable George. Hello, Grocer Joe. Some would say that you're just the constable model with a different paint job, but I know you're a separate, unique person. As he walks beneath the lamplight sun with a toothpick as a cane, you can hear the girls exclaim, "Is that man insane? No, he'll live a lie but never die, and that's a truth you can't deny. He's the man who built the world in his basement." What happened here? Sorry, pal, but there's no room in this town for anything dangerously unbalanced. That's better. Everything's under control. Ah, the trade winds.
Dad? Dad? Huh. I guess he's not here. Vroom, vroom! Out of the way! I'm the garbage man! Give me your trash, you losers! I'm in the union and my pension is bankrupt in the city! Everyone talks about how rich I am, but they have no idea! I hope you don't think me forward if I tell you you're lovely. Oh, you! May I steal a peck on the cheek? I'll let you hold my hand. And this guy here is banging a dog!
Steve, you're killing me!
Oh, my God!